Here's 3 things we love about our Figma integration here at Jivox. First of all, design in the tools that you know and love. You can do your best design work if you have all of your existing tools at your disposal. No more trying to learn a brand new creative tool for every single different ad platform. Secondly, no templates. Complete creative freedom on how you design your ads. I'm no designer, but in 5 minutes I could mock up this quick ad using my dog as the background. You are no longer restricted by a white background, templated retargeting ad. Everything is up to you in terms of your design. So designers can do what they do best, and marketers can automate based on their best designs. And finally, it's so easy to get your designs into Jivox to make automated variations. All you need to do is simply hit share from Figma, copy the link, head into Jivox to create your ad using the dynamic Canvas Studio. And once I've pasted the URL, all I need to do is select the frames I want to use, click on import, and here's my ad right here in Jivox. This now forms our creative master, so we can automate hundreds or even thousands of different ad variations based on the design that we created in Figma. To show a quick example, here's how I can quickly switch a background image to one I made earlier. As you can see, it's so easy to get your designs in and make those revisions.